morning. I would like to talk a little bit about my company's interaction with Tech Connected, a service that we hired to help us implement a project management system to streamline what we were already doing. My company is a commercial furniture manufacturer, and at any one time we have about 120 projects in the loop, and we were managing all of those projects with about 5 different Excel programs, Excel worksheets. This was our commercial schedule, which had many different layers to it, completed orders. This was the rep workbook where we captured all the information for projects and how many items were sold and the quotes and comparison for different years. And then this is where we tracked all commissions for every project. We went from that to our Monday setup, which we have all of our quotes. We have our project management workspace, which allows us to track new jobs for awaiting packets subbed out, if it's in engineering, if it's at the This program also sends us notifications when certain thresholds are met, which is very helpful. We can set up different views for different people so that if they don't want to see some of the information, it streamlines it only to what they want to see. The onboarding process was very easy. We went through every paper and every program we were using, and we explained the use, and then the Tech Connected team went through and built us out a template. From there, we used it for a little while, and then we've been tweaking it, but the onboarding process was relatively easy compared to others that I've gone through. They've been more than patient with us. We've probably had 9 to 10 sessions to make this work, and then we've swapped emails, but all in all, it's been a great implementation, and at this point, we've really honed down having to use all these different spreadsheets where we've had to input single information more than one time into one area where all of my employees can access it at any time, make changes on the fly, and we have real-time information. It's been a very easy process, and we are very happy so far with the software and the system.